Hello and welcome to the newest spring painting, Peek a Bloom. So this is my favorite recommendation for this spring because it is bright, it's super simple, and I'm going to share this video with you to show you just a couple of steps that I'll take you through during the entire painting process in the video. So we go through the laying out of the background. I put in an outline which comes with your video purchase. Then we fill in the pinks and some white highlights. We deepen the shadows. We add a little gnome inside the tulip. You can see here that I am putting in some white highlights to the beard. And all of this is available with step-by-step instructions and an outline. So these highlights are my favorites, the bright whites along the edges. Now the top of the hat I decided to deepen with dark pinks. So I add in a layer of pink in a nice base coat. And then just like my other simple steps of base coat, highlights and shadows, I come in and I add some bright highlights going in the direction of the tulip. So those bright highlights really make it look round and three-dimensional. And then I show you how to take a deeper red and fill in some of the little deep areas where we add in some darks or shadows. And if you want to paint this, you can go to artraveinc.com, or if you're a studio, you can license it at artravestudios.com.